it pays to shop around for many things, but especially insurance. And really, really quickly, I'm throwing my hat off to Gregg Goodman, Gregg Goodman's Farmers Insurance, because really quickly, before we talk about some other things, renter's insurance, for example, was surprisingly awesome. So here with me to talk about other things, though, Gregg Goodman from Farmers Insurance, and it really does pay to shop around, right?
That's everybody's right to shop around. You want to make sure that you want to get the best value for your dollar. Correct.
And so, whether it's car insurance, homeowners insurance, of course, which is required if you have a home that is secured by a mortgage, but it's always a good idea, even if you paid cash for a home, right? I know some people who are like, now I don't have to pay for insurance. I paid cash for my home. Okay, well, good luck with that if there's a fire or anything else. And of course, business insurance and everything else. But really important, what's also, aside from rates, aside from getting the best rate, is also getting the best service. And I want to talk a little bit about your office, because you are staffed. You've been in the area for how long?
I've been a farmer's agent since 1997.
So, and you've got a full staff to help out with anyone who's got questions and things like that at your office.
Yes, I have two full-time staff members. One who's been with me for the whole 22 years or so. So it's been, that's got Carolyn Breimer. She does all my commercial insurance. And she was born and raised in Santa Clarita. And then my other office staff is Kathy Gundy. A lot of people know her from the bacon industry out here in Santa Clarita, and she's been with me about 5 years.
Perfect. And that's important that you have someone to call, and it's not just the 800 call center where you may either put on hold or talking to someone who has no clue who you are, no clue even has never been to Santa Clarita in their life, for example. And that does make a difference, I think, for me at least, from a comfort level when I'm talking to someone, especially if there's a situation where I need your help.
I think a lot of people discount that. We have my cell phone number on our business cards. We're local, and if anybody needs anything, we're right there to help them out. Just like the fires that happened a couple years ago, I did have a few clients up in Sand Canyon. We reached out to every single one of them to make sure that they were okay. So, and I don't see how an 800 number company is going to really do that. They'll send out the claim service, but Farmers has one of the best claim services around also, and you can always look at that on the internet also. But I think it's just very advantageous to have a local agent that can come to your house at any time. If there's a catastrophe, water claim, fire claim, that's what our service, that's what insurance is for, the only service you guys get out of us really besides our customer service is if there is a claim that we'd be there.
Right. And that's important too. And don't overlook, of course, like we have a renter's insurance, and we are now covered, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna leave all the windows open, the doors up. No, I'm kidding. But but it's terrific to know, and that comfort level, because a lot of times we just kind of held our breath when we've done this before, and it's ridiculous when you find out that all it took was a call to Gregg Goodman Farmers Insurance.
What people don't understand about renter's insurance is if there's something stolen inside your car, it's not covered under your auto insurance. It's covered under your home insurance or your renter's insurance, and a lot of people don't understand that, and it's a big deal. So.
That is a big deal, and I don't want to give too much of myself away, but sometimes I carry around some kind of expensive stuff in my car, so that's good to know.
As long as
I'm not telling you what kind of car I drive now, but even still.
Absolutely.
But just being smart, of course, and having that covered, that's terrific. That's something that, I know, my wife has been kind of in another realm of insurance for all these years, but I didn't realize that. I always forget, so it's a good thing to have another.
Your wife has the best on Medi-Cal, trust me.
Well, thank you. So you've got something coming up. What's going on?
I just want to tell also, since we're community related, just like KHTS, we do a lot of charity work here also at our office. We support the Red Hearts Foundation that's head up by Carolyn Breimer. We do work with the Zonta Club also, which Kathy Gundy is a member. But my big charity is the Center Creative Youth Project that is headed up by Kim Goldman. I've been on the board of directors for 13 years. So, and we are at every campus, junior high and high schools. We do help navigate kids through tough challenges through counseling and through outreach. And I just want everyone to know we do have our annual our Comics for the Cause, which is on August 16th at Santa Clarita Arts Center.
So that is College of the Canyons, Valencia campus, Santa Clarita Performing Arts Center. That is an awesome event. Every year they bring great people out.
It's amazing.
And it's just a huge laugh fest. And again, it's the win-win for the great cause, because the Santa Clarita Youth Project and SCV Youth Project, I do know Kim, and she's coming to talk about that before, and I've helped out on fundraisers in the past. I think it's terrific. So that's good that you guys are involved. Where's your office located?
My office is located in the Industrial Center at 25030 Avenue Stanford, Suite 50. And my office phone number is 661-254-6739.
And that information is also available on our website, hometownstation.com. Gregg Goodman, Farmers Insurance. Remember it. Get a quote just for giggles, just to see if by chance you are on the right path with your insurance agent, or if Gregg can either offer you more for what you're getting, or give you a better quote, or you also might want to partake in that awesome customer service his office staff has.
Thank you. I want to say thank you very much, and everybody is George's birthday, so thank you.
Oh, well. So thank you very much, Gregg, for stopping by, and thanks a lot for everything you've done.
All right, thank you.